Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to to organize all of your accounts using list views in Salesforce. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by going up and clicking on the Accounts tab up here. Now you can see all of the accounts that we have. I've already made a whole bunch of different list views for different districts of the clients that I work with. So you're going to start by finding what we're going to do it by the region. Now let's choose a region we don't have one for. I'm going to use Hanover right now. And you're going to go to the gear icon and click New. You're going to go here. I'm going to type in Morris and Sussex, Hanover, because that's what I'm doing right now. And when you're done typing in the title, you just click Save. You don't have to worry about the API. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the fields to display because I don't want what it has right now. I want it to show the billing city, which I'm using as the region, and the shipping city, which I'm using as if it's public or private, because I only have the trial version. Then we save it, and you can see it edits all of the information that we can see. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a filter, and I'm going to go to the billing city, which at the moment I'm using as Hanover. I'm going to say it starts with Hanover, so we get Hanover Township, and anything considered that. So I'm going to save that, and now you see that we have this list view here. So you can do this for anybody that you need to. You can use billing city, you can use account name, you can use just about anything you want. It is a great tool for organizing. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.